Morning, Big Red here. Got a real treat for you here this morning. Got two of the new Milwaukee Fuel second generation drills to show you. And hopefully I'll get the impact driver as well in the near future, and we'll display that one as well. Anyway, what we have here now though is the second generation hammer drill and the regular drill here. And I'd like to go over a couple of the functions, some of the new functions on it, and show you some size comparisons from the previous model, and then give you some demonstrations on how they work in action here. Yeah, we'll start with the hammer drill here. The hammer drill, you know, the last one, the previous generation, was the 2604 model, and it had a maximum torque rating, I believe, of 725 inch-pounds, and the length on it was 8.5 inches. And the new one here, it's got a rating here of 1,200 inch-pounds, which happens to be the the highest in the industry right now, and also the most compact in weight. This one here, I believe, was about 4.3 pounds or something like that. 4.2, 4.3. This one is about 3.4 pounds, so it's a little less than a pound lighter. And what's most important is the length of it here is 7.75 inches. So it's 3/4 of an inch shorter, almost a pound lighter, and much more power. So quite an improvement. So anyway, it has a similar function as the last one. It has the separate dial here for dialing for your hammer, your drill, and your driver modes here. So you don't have to change your driver settings when you go from drill to hammer modes. And it's got a 2-speed transmission. I believe it's like a 0 to 500 on one and 0 to 2,000 on the other one. 550 on one and 2,000 on the other one. So anyway, really the only difference in the two models here is the hammer function, and also I believe the regular drill is like 1/10 of a pound lighter. So anyway, let's show you what they'll do in action here, and got a couple of little tests here we'll do. Kind of zoom in here a little bit. Okay, we're gonna display the hammer drill. I got a 1/4 inch bit here. I can get it in there. Okay, we've got a 1/4 inch hammer bit, and we'll go through this little concrete block here and get my safety glasses on, and we'll see what it does here. Put it on hammer mode. Anyway, goes through pretty good. It's not a rotary hammer, but if you have some smaller jobs that require hammer drilling, perfectly adequate for that. So anyway, does a good job. Also comes with a side handle here on both models as well. So anyway, let's try out the regular drill here and see what it does. I've got a 1-inch spade bit here. And we'll go through this landscape timber here and see what it does with that. Okay, got it on the drill mode here. Make sure we get it running correctly. We'll see what it does against this. That does a pretty good job on that too. I didn't want to push it too hard because I didn't want to damage my table here underneath. So anyway, if you're in the market for some new drills, check out these new Milwaukee Fuel second generation fuel models. I think you'll enjoy them. Bye-bye.